In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate an image in ElevenLabs step by step, even if you've never used the image and video playground before. This is a really useful feature if you want to create AI visuals quickly, test out different concepts, or generate content for social media, presentations, thumbnails, and creative projects. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the image and video playground and open it. This is the section where ElevenLabs lets you create visual assets using AI, so make sure you're in the right workspace before moving forward. Now that you're in the playground, the next step is to switch to image mode. You'll usually see a drop-down menu or mode selector near the top of the screen. Click that menu and choose image. This tells the tool that you want to generate a still image instead of working with audio or video features. After that, choose the AI image model you want to use. ElevenLabs may give you several model options, and the one you pick can affect the style, quality, and speed of the results. For example, you might see models like GPT Image, Seedream, or Nano Banana. If you want a more polished or detailed output, test a few different models to see which one gives you the look you want. Next, it's time to enter your prompt. This is where you describe the image you want in as much detail as possible. The more specific you are, the better the result usually is. You can include things like the subject, background, lighting, color palette, art style, mood, camera angle, and any important objects or details. For example, instead of just typing a city at night, you could say something like a futuristic city skyline at night with glowing neon signs, reflective streets, cinematic lighting, and a cyberpunk atmosphere. That kind of detail gives the AI much more to work with. If you already have an image you want to build from, you may also be able to upload a reference image. This is great if you want the AI to match a certain composition, style, or subject. Just upload the reference, then use your prompt to guide the changes or the final look you want. Once your prompt is ready, adjust the settings to fit your project. You can usually customize things like aspect ratio, resolution, and the number of variations. If you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, for example, you might want a wider aspect ratio. If you're making social content, a square or vertical format might work better. Resolution also matters if you want a sharper final image, especially for professional use. And if you want a few different options to compare, increase the number of variations so ElevenLabs can generate multiple versions at once. When everything looks good, click Generate. ElevenLabs will now create your image based on the prompt, model, and settings you selected. Depending on the complexity and the platform's speed, you may need to wait a few moments for it to finish. Once the image is generated, it will appear in your History tab. This is where you can review your result, choose a favorite version, and continue editing if needed. From here, you may also be able to upscale the image for better quality or even animate it into a talking photo if that feature is available in your account. That makes the workflow really powerful because you're not just creating an image, you're building content that can be reused in multiple ways. A quick tip before you go. If your first result isn't perfect, don't worry. AI image generation often works best when you refine your prompt and try again. Add more detail, remove anything confusing, and test different models or settings until you get the style you're after. And that's how to generate an image in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI workflow guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.